Businesses across all industries are navigating the rapidly evolving world of generative AI and agents. There is increasing pressure to adopt the latest AI technologies and show the value of AI solutions quickly, but also efficiently. However, starting from a blank slate can be complicated and time-intensive for developers. Azure AI Foundry now offers templates built to address the most common, high-value use cases and technical patterns. The templates are designed to save you time and accelerate your AI transformation because you don't have to start from scratch. Azure AI Foundry templates enable developers to try, build, and deploy AI solutions in minutes and scale them into production quickly and efficiently. A variety of templates are now available, ranging in complexity, from deploying an AI chatbot to improve customer satisfaction, to leveraging the power of AI multi-agent workflows to automate complex business processes. On the template page, you can see the different templates available, their levels of complexity, as well as the key services used. Let's take the multi-agent workflow automation template as an example to show you what each template comes with. This template helps businesses leverage AI agents for automating complex organizational tasks with accuracy and efficiency. You can directly go to the GitHub repository to get the template, which includes a list of technical features, the reference architecture, a deployment guide, and a costing calculator. We also have a deployment template that helps users to deploy a secure, extensible, and integrated environment to run AI applications in production in a matter of minutes. If you are looking to put agents to work in your organization to automate business workflows, create a chat experience for your customers to help employees find relevant information faster, or quickly process and extract information from documents, accelerate your journey from ideation to building a POC and scale your AI solution to production with Azure AI Foundry templates today. Happy building!